Module 4, Lesson 2, Topic 1. Configure table styles options. With the Style Options group of commands, you can adjust options for table elements. Selecting the last column box in the Table Styles Options group of the Table Tools design ribbon makes the last column bold. Other table elements such as header and total rows, first column, banded rows and columns, as well as auto-filtering can be enabled or disabled as well. In order to do that, first select any cell in the table. Go to the Table Tools design ribbon, Table Style Options group, then select or clear any of the options. Header row checkbox will apply or remove formatting from the first row in the table. Total row checkbox will quickly add subtotal functions such as sum, average, count, minimum or maximum to your table from a drop-down selection. First column checkbox will apply or remove formatting from the first column in the table. Last column checkbox will apply or remove formatting from the last column in the table. Banded rows checkbox will display odd and even rows with alternating shading for ease of reading. Banded columns checkbox will display odd and even columns with alternating shading for ease of reading. Filter button checkbox will toggle autofilter on and off. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Insert and manage rows, columns, and the total number of rows. Keep learning.